I'm a little worried that my entire desk is in a box like this. I've learned a lot from do-it-yourself projects, which means I've learned what not to do as well. Still haven't found the instructions. But I found piece J. Recently, I was looking for the perfect desk. I'd have to put it together, but I thought, how hard can it be? And then I remembered the last time. Hundreds of parts, instructions that made no sense, and that one drawer that would just never, ever align. There's still more. And I had no one to call for help. And I just had to settle for that shaky, half-built desk. And this got me thinking, isn't this like building your own IT platform? You don't want to hold your breath and hope the whole thing doesn't fall apart. That feeling of settling for a DIY project that's unfinished and not what you were expecting is the reality for a lot of IT teams. You've spent years stitching together different open source projects and integrating tools on different infrastructure, and now you've created a platform that's a source of instability and friction. Developers and operations teams are frustrated. Changes are risky and slow. Well, why choose between speed and stability? You just need the right foundation, and that is Red Hat OpenShift. It's like that complete piece of furniture that's built by the experts, not a collection of mismatched parts. Red Hat OpenShift is a single, unified application platform that gives your developers and operations teams what they need to actually succeed together. Instead of a pieced-together platform you have to fight with, you get a trusted foundation providing stability and control. This frees up your teams to focus on innovation instead of infrastructure friction. And this leads to happier and more effective teams. And when you're ready for what's next, like adding AI workloads, OpenShift is ready too. You don't want to have that moment where you put one thing on the desk and the whole thing comes crashing down. OpenShift is built to be that solid foundation for the future, giving you the confidence that you can deploy any workload, anywhere. So stop trying to build a platform that's just good enough. Explore what you can build with Red Hat OpenShift.